Good morning, students. Today we will start with the new topic, that is median. We all have studied mean and mode. Now let us study median. Now what is median? How to find out median? Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Now for ungrouped frequency distribution or for ungrouped data, we used to find median in two ways. If the number of observation is odd, means if it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on, then the median is found out by using the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. Suppose the number of observation is 9, then 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5th observation. Whatever is the 5th observation, you arrange in the ascending order. Whatever is the 5th observation is your median. Okay, and if the number of observation is even, then the median is found out by taking out the average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Suppose that I can give you an example. Suppose that I have to find out the median of these numbers. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so there are 10 observations. So n is equal to 10, number of observation is 10, which is even. Now what is the formula for finding it? It is an ungrouped data. So it will be mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Now what is n? That is 5. Okay, n by 2th means 10 by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1th means divided by 2. That is 5th observation plus 6th observation by 2. Now what is the 5th observation here? Just see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th observation. Okay, and what is the 6th observation? It is a matter of chance that here again 6th observation is also 3. It may be something different also. It would have been 4 or 5 or any other number. Okay, so if it is again 3, so what we will do, we will just add 3 plus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So this is the way of finding out median for ungrouped data. I just told you this because you all have not studied in class 9 and you should know this because it was deleted in your syllabus, and you should know this. This is the basic formula for median. Now in this class you will be studying about how to find out median of grouped data. Means frequency distribution will be given and you will have to find out the grouped data. Okay. Now to find out median of grouped data, here one new term you will be learning, and that is known as cumulative frequency. Now what is cumulative frequency? It is the sum of all the previous frequencies up to the current point, and it is calculated by adding each frequency from a frequency distribution table to the sum of its predecessors. When we will solve it, you will clearly understand it. Okay, what is cumulative frequency? So for grouped data, median is given by the formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. Okay, this is very important formula. So in all the three cases, mean, median and mode, you have to be very thorough with the formula. Okay, now what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. Whatever median class you will find out, its lower limit is L. N by 2 means n is the number of observations, means how many observations are there. When you will total, you will get it, the total frequency, that is n by 2 minus Cf, that is here Cf, cumulative frequency, is the frequency of the preceding class of the median. Okay, preceding median class. F is the frequency of that particular median class, and h is the class size. Okay, now there are two types of median, two types of frequency distribution or cumulative frequency, less than and more than. Most frequently in this class we use the less than type cumulative frequency, which we will now, let us take an example, then you will understand how to solve it. Okay, now this is the, suppose that this is the marks. Okay, this is the marks of 53 students scored in maths, and the total marks is 100. Out of 100, 53 students scored marks in this interval. Okay, 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 23, 20 to 34, and so on. Now we have to find out the median of this marks distribution or this grouped data. Now for this, what we will do, we will first find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means what? We will go on adding each frequency. So number 1 is 5. In the first frequency distribution, we will write down 5. Okay, then 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Just go on adding this one. 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 7, 29, 29 plus 9, 38, 38 plus 7, 45, and 45 plus 8, 53. So whatever the total frequency will be there, that will come here. Okay, by seeing the last term only, you can understand what is the total number of frequency. This is known as cumulative frequency of less than type. Less than type का मतलब क्या हो गया कि below 10, ठीक है, 0 से 10 मतलब 10 के नीचे. Below 10 कितने बच्चों को मिला है मार्क्स? 5. Below 20, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? 0 to 20. अब हम लोग इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिए है ना. तो when we have added below 20 कितने बच्चों को मिला? 8. Below 30 कितने बच्चों को मिला? 12. और लेस देन 40 कितनों को मिला? 15. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा लेस देन टाइप क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक है, क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? लेस देन 90 टोटल कितने बच्चों को मिला? तो बहुत सारे बच्चे थे जिसको 0 से 10, 10 to 20 इतना मिला. तो लेस देन 90 में कितने बच्चों को मिला? हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स स्कोर्ड? दैट इज़ 45. सो दिस इज़ नोन एज लेस देन क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट द median of this table. Okay, so first step is to find out the cumulative frequency. In this we go on adding the successive term to the predecessor. Okay, now what is n here? N is 53. Number of observation is 53. First of all we will find out n by 2. N by 2 is 53 by 2, that is 26.5. Now this 26.5, now here when we see there is no number as such 26.5. So which class should we choose as the median class? Now for this what you have to see the median cumulative frequency. Okay, you have to take the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than this 26.5, slightly greater than 26.5. It should not be less than 26.5, means it should not be less than n by 2. So what do you find here? 22 is less than 26.5. What is the next one? That is 26.5 is less than 29. So here median class you will take this as 60 to 70. So this is your median class. Okay, so what is the median class here? It is 60 to 70. क्यों? क्योंकि ये 29 है वो 26.5 से ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, but 22 is less than n by 2, so we will not take this. So 60 to 70 is the median class. Now we will use the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now what is the lower limit here? Here lower limit L is 60. So we will write down L as equal to 60. Now what is n by 2? We have already calculated 26.5. Now what is frequency of this median class? अब इस median class का frequency क्या है? This is the frequency 7. This is the frequency of the median class. And what is the class size? Class size क्या है? 70 minus 60, that is 10. Just go on putting this value, you will get the answer. So let us solve it. Let us see it. We have got n by 2 equals to 26.5, L equals to 60, CF equals to cumulative frequency. Now what is cumulative frequency here? Of the preceding median class. जो median class हम लोग लिए हैं उसके ठीक पहले वाला. ठीक है, that is 22, F is 7 and H is 20, that is class size. Put the value, you will get it as 60 plus 26.5 minus 22 by 7 into 10, that is 60 plus 45 by 7, that is equal to 66.4 approx. This is your approx value. Okay, now let us do another sum. Find the median of the following data. class interval is given 160 to 170, 170 to 180, 180 to 190, 190 to 200 till 220. Okay, frequency is given 20, 110, 130, 80, 40 and 20. So what is our first step? Our first step is to take out the cumulative frequency. So this will be 20, 130, 260, 340, 380 and 400. So what is the total frequency? That is 400. Now we have to find out the median. Now we know what is n here, that is 400, isn't it? So n by 2 will be equal to 400 by 2, that is 200. Now we have to see the number which is greater than 200. Now what is that median class? That is equal to this one, isn't it? It is greater. 130 is less than 200. So what is the median class we will take? We will take this number, this class as the median class. So median class is equal to 180 to 190. Now what is n by 2? We have already found out 200. Now what is CF? CF means the frequency, cumulative frequency of the preceding class. That is equal to, just see, it is 260, just above it is 130. Then we come to the frequency. What is the frequency of this class? It is again 130. So you see here, frequency is also 130. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class is also 130. Now what is the class size? 180 to 190, that is equal to how much? 10. Okay. Now what is L? What is the lower limit of the median class? That is 180. Now we will use the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is L? 180 plus, what is n by 2? We have already found out, 200. What is CF? 130 by 130 into, what is H? That is 10. That is equal to 180 plus 70 by 130 into 10. Now it is cut. That is 180 plus 70 by 13. That is equal to 180 plus, it is 5.4. That is equal to 185.4. So this is the way of finding the median. So we will start solving the numericals next day. Thank you.